Hey guys, guess what? We have our new dashboard ready. Let's take a walkthrough of it. This is the dashboard that we had earlier. Here we had a settings button. Now let's take a look at our updated new dashboard. Great design, right? Instead of the settings button, we have an integrate button right below the respective icons. Click on the corresponding integrate button under the messaging as per your need. Let's take the line messenger as an example to do a walkthrough. Here you can copy and paste the channel ID, secret, and access token just like in the old times. You can fill in the data and hit the integrate button. Suppose you have entered the data wrong. It will show the prompts to fill the data as shown here. Once you have filled in the correct data, click on the integrate button. Now the integration is successful and you can see this toggle on, which means that you have your line account integrated and it is in an active state. Just by toggling the button, you can disable the integration. Toggle it back to enable it. If you update any field, you will also receive a success message as shown here. Click on this delete button to delete your integration. You will get a confirmation pop-up. Once you confirm the deletion, the integration will be deleted. Now, you have successfully deleted it. If you get stuck somewhere, or if you have any doubts, don't worry. You can click on the Get Help button to find a manual document related to that particular integration. There is also a very easy to understand video tutorial available. You can watch it by clicking the Watch Video button here. This new layout will be applied to all integrations as well. If you have any questions or find it difficult at any point, feel free to leave a comment. Sign up now for a free 30-day trial of our amazing chatbot by clicking on the link in the description box. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date.